Hey guys, we're at Lake Sodwana today. We've seen at least one crocodile. We think there's another crocodile behind me. Tom is going to start filming with the drone now. Hopefully we can find some hippos and some crocodiles. That would be great. Wildlife is great today. There's lots of ducks and other birds flying around and swimming. We saw a little duckling. Unfortunately, we forgot our camera's battery that zooms in, so we won't be able to take nice photos and film that stuff. But hopefully the drone can get something.
Been waiting endless nights to get that call. Hung up on you. I wonder, do you ever think of me too? I'm stuck on you. Been waiting endless nights to get that call. Hung up on you.
Okay, so tell us more about...
Okay, the crocodiles that you find in Sodwana Lake is the Nile crocodile. Apparently our Nile crocodiles are smaller than other parts of the world. Every region's Nile crocodiles has a different size, but ours grows about 5 meters maximum, and they can swim up to 30 kilometers per hour. But they're not very fast on land, so you can outrun them, but you can't outswim them.
No.
Hey guys, we're here at Lake Sodwana.